rural Romania, an alcoholic monk named Moreau warns a nearby monastery about an impending ambush by Roarke's forces. They seek to kidnap a young boy named Danny and perform a ceremony on him that will allow the aging Roarke to transfer himself into Danny's body. A firefight ensues, and Danny is able to escape with his mother Nadya. Moreau decides to seek out Johnny Blaze, who is currently in hiding to prevent the rider from running amok. Moreau offers to restore Johnny's soul and remove the Ghost Rider's curse in exchange for the rider's help finding Danny. Nadya and Danny are captured by Nadya's former boyfriend, Carrigan. He is about to execute Nadya when the Ghost Rider appears, killing several of Carrigan's men. Nadya distracts the Ghost Rider, who is shot with grenades. Nadya escapes but Danny is recaptured. Carrigan informs Roarke, who is actually Mephisto in disguise, about the rider's interference, and Roarke places a spell on Danny to stop the rider from tracking him. Meanwhile, Blaze awakens in a hospital and leaves, following Nadya and convincing her to accept his help. Nadya explains that she made a deal with Roarke as well, and that Danny is Roarke's son. At night, Nadya and Johnny interrogate a contact of Carrigan's and Johnny takes off to find Carrigan. The rider emerges and takes on Carrigan's men, using an empowered mining machine to destroy their hideout and mortally wound Carrigan. The rider turns on Nadya and attempts to use the Penance Stare on her, but Danny is able to stop him. Roarke finds Carrigan nearly dead and revives him, granting him the ability to decay anything he touches. Johnny and Nadya bring Danny to the monastery, where Moreau explains that the Ghost Rider is an angel named Zarathos who was tortured and driven insane in hell. Moreau tells Johnny that he can exorcise the spirit if Johnny tells a secret only he knows. Johnny confesses that his deal with Roarke was selfish. His father had accepted his cancer and was ready to die, but Johnny could not accept it. Moreau exorcises the spirit, and Johnny becomes human again. The head monk Methodius tries to kill Danny, but Carrigan intervenes, killing the monks and recapturing Danny. The ritual to transfer Roarke into Danny's body begins while Johnny, Nadya, and Moreau secretly infiltrate the ceremony. Carrigan kills Moreau while Danny returns the Ghost Rider to Johnny. Danny grants the rider the ability to stay in rider form even in broad daylight. The rider then pursues Roarke. The rider kills Carrigan and flips the car that Roarke and Danny are in before using his chain to hurl Roarke back to hell. With Roarke defeated, Zarathos regains his sanity and is restored to his previous incarnation as the Spirit of Justice. Channeling the blue flame of Zarathos, Johnny revives Danny. As the film ends, Johnny is seen riding down the road in rider form, but the flames on his bike and body are now blue.